Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm very excited for you guys because I've been wanting to share these to you guys just because it's been a while. It's been a hot minute, and honestly, I wish I could have shared this early on, but there are a lot of things already that come and go, and I'm talking about my Chanel dupes. I love Chanel so much, but I am a person that's kind of practical when it comes to things that I want to get because I do use my bags so much and I don't want to pay thousands of dollars just to, get the whole Chanel vibe. Plus, I actually like more the reissue rather than the ones with the CC turn lock. Don't come at me for it just because I actually appreciate the chicness to it, and some of the leathers of the reissue is like a very grungy look, and I really like it on that whole posh clean design. That's why I actually opt for it more. And if you could see later in my collection, I will show you guys that I really love it so much. And there are a couple of things that I do have that are the Chanel flap that I will also share to you guys, that are specific things that I have kept all through the years, but there are some that had to go just because I think it wasn't as practical for me at the time or at the moment. So that's why I'm here and very excited to share that to you. Now let's start with my smallest, and this is actually my Chanel mini dupe in the square size. Now the sad part to this is I had the story to this one is I had a green face. I actually had a forest green face. But unfortunately, every time I see one that's, as you know, Shopee, they don't really show you as much the right color. It's usually like a hit and miss kind of thing. So I have this matcha color, which I am not really a fan of, honestly. I like matcha. I mean, it's really a nice kind of drink, but not really in a color. It's kind of harder for me to wear this unless I have a white outfit, which I evidently do, especially at that phase. So I've been looking for and hunting for a forest green that Valeria has in silver hardware. But every time I see one and order it, it just comes out like this. The only thing is, when COVID started and afterwards, I barely use this. Now, this is bee leather, and honestly, I'm kind of sad because, as you can see, it fits a lot. I actually feature this also in one of my other videos where I actually put a lot of things in this. This fits a lot, and I'm very much not hesitant on like stocking a lot of things in it just because it fits more than you'd expect, especially for this mini bag. And it actually fits my phone, luckily, because it's still square shape and it's not double flap. But aside from that, aside from like going on a really quick errands just near the village, I tend to not wear this as much, and it's such a waste because look, it has even a back pocket. That rarely happens. So before, when I wasn't getting into like the real leather bags that I'm collecting right now, I love wearing this. It's not a regret. That's why it's still here, and it's such an easy bag to wear. This is small, but it really packs a punch. Now, the next bag that I wanted to share is another mini. And this is probably still a square mini, but as you can see, it actually looks a bit of a rectangle mini compared to this one, as you can see there. But this, if not for this is my favorite. Since I got this one, I couldn't wear that as much just because the quality of this is, you can really feel like it's lambskin. Plus, this is the more expensive blue or more expensive dupe that I got. This is like around 700, and it really was the best bag. It was the best mini bag because it fits a lot, like a lot. But unfortunately, since I barely wore it, I don't know why I barely wore it now, but I do wear it before. But just because I actually have a baby, and I really did stay more at home, and my work previous to getting, having a baby is very busy, very on site. I did mention this before that I usually use my Birkin dupes when on site because it packs a lot more, and I really couldn't bring this. I don't go often out with just like a small bag. It's like a periwinkle blue, and I honestly would recommend it. I will try to find like leather options of the bags that I have. By the way, I will also try to link the dehumidifier that my hubby got me because it actually helped a lot with a lot of my bags. So I recommend it. Now, another flap, and yes, you're gonna see more of the flap dupes. I haven't really tried much of the other designs as dupes. I do find them, and maybe at the later videos, I will try to recommend and source out dupes of those other types of bags, but more affordable, and also, of course, Shopee. Now, this one is another blue bag, but I actually wear this much more than I wore this one. That's just because this is denim, so it's a denim material. There's things inside. Okay, there's medications inside. Okay, so this one is like, when I found this was super affordable and I just instantly got it. And I was actually rethinking if I should have gotten the darker colored denim than the lighter one, but this was actually very, very easy to pair. It's very casual. It's silver hardware, so it's much more chilled. And I can honestly say that this one is such an easy bag to pair just because it has that grungy look. I can wear it with shorts, with denim shorts, even with like the very summer spring colors. This is so easy to pair. The only reason why I don't use it as much, just because I have other bags that I really like to wear more often. I really usually wear this now. Before, when it was COVID, I usually wear this when it was COVID. This one doesn't have a proper unboxing, so sadly about that, I am sorry, but I am going to be more diligent in posting this and posting links on where I got these bags. The one ahead to this that I got, that I already given away sadly, is one of my red Chanel flaps. Now, I did have a red Chanel flap, but unfortunately my cat, who I love so much, that's why the bag is gone and the cat stays. One of them actually loves, enjoying my bags way too much. So she was the only one that actually, scratched the bag more than once, so I had to give it up. It couldn't be something that I could have just hide with a ribbon, with a bow. And so, since I love the cat more, I had to give up that. That was one of my favorites because it's red, it's a Chanel flap. I'm trying to find right now a reissue of a red one. That's one I want to replace it with. But if it's not that, then I won't be able to add it. But I do have my beautiful mini Kelly, or my version of a mini Kelly, that I've been enjoying way too much more. So next one, this one I love just because I didn't expect to like it as much. I got it for content, for videos, and for the price that it was. Yes, I was very impulsive then, just because when I see something that's more affordable, and I didn't think that I was really leaning towards like real leather bags. But the reason why I lean towards red to leather bags right now, just because it has the best longevity compared to getting PU leather bags. Now, of course, it's more expensive, but if you can pass it to your kids, to your daughters, and maybe even gift it in the future if you're old enough, then it's much more of a greater investment. And I'm not saying the resale investment, I'm talking about gifting it as like a memorabilia. It's like part of my heirlooms for me, just because I really, really love bags and I love them in accessorizing them with all of my outfits. So that's the reason why I actually opt for going to leather bags. Now, this one is a PU leather and it's one of the best, and I actually really, really love it. But I wish I got it in a much more neutral tone, just because the pink shade of it, it was my era that I don't wear pink as much, but it was super affordable and I wanted to try it in a different color because I do have a bag similar to this that's already in white that I am obsessed with. So this one was really great because it was such a good find. I remember this, I got this from Bag Cravings, and this is one of the best bags. It has like a back pocket. Like, that's one of the things, like with the Chanel 19, they have that one, the back pocket. This was such a good size as well, and it's so soft and easy. The only thing is, since it was a pink bag And I barely wore pink bags before when I got this. Although I worn it a ton when the first time I got it. On the first year, I wore it all the time. The straps have gone really, really bad. Like, really, really bad. I wish I didn't keep the straps inside. I think it would be better because the outside of my bag held out pretty great. Like, it's a really, really nice bag. It still looks great apart from the strap that I don't know, maybe I'll still wear it like on the quick errands when I go out, but I won't wear it anymore on like really, really long times at the mall or in a cafe. But yeah, this was such a great errand bag too. When the first time I got this, it was the bag that I always wear because it's easy, it has a back pocket, it fits a lot of things. That's why I was so happy to get it. But I wish to find it maybe in a darker color or a neutral color so it would be easier for me to wear. So I might find one like this again. Bag Cravings doesn't have this anymore. By the way, Bag Cravings is in Shopee. It's still there. I might try to put like top Bag Cravings bags that I really, really like. And Bag Cravings actually has a lot of the dupes. One of my other bags is from Bag Cravings and it was super affordable. That's why I got it. Until now, it's my one of my most beloved bags. And it's also in pink, which is funny and weird, but it was so beautiful. Now, one of the other ones that I got is, like I said, I did love the Chanel 19. It's such a nice pillow bag. I didn't think that I probably won't like the big one. Maybe it's just because it's too big. Plus, it might be a hassle for me, but I haven't really tried it yet. So I might, if I'll see one that's, worth it. And probably the leather one already. But this one, I love this. The only thing I didn't like about this one that I like more about the other one is because it doesn't have a back pocket. I really, really like back pockets because they're very, very convenient, especially on flap bags. This one has a zipper and this one held out pretty good. That's because I always wear it. Now, this bag, I've worn it so much, like really so much, and it's such a great thing in my bag. It's very, very easy to pair, easy to work with. So I would recommend this. And since I've been using this a lot of the times, I think that's the reason why it's not wilting away. So I think that's the reason for this bag. And I have nothing else to say. It's a white bag. I love white bags. It literally looks good with my outfit right now. And I know it's orange, but it's still so cute. Now, the final one, of course, I'm not gonna neglect you guys. This one, I'm actually happy with this size because I've used it so much. I've used it like a ton. This bag has been with me and it's such a great night bag, especially on my area that I don't like wearing black bags during the night. Like a go-to bag in the evening is usually black for most girls, but for me it's actually this forest green. I love it so much. It's such a nice color, and the thing is, this one has also been, as I can see right now, I can see some new ones. This has been scratched by my beautiful cat. I think it's the same cat because she really likes going here. This couch is very comfortable, and now I've actually upgraded it a bit, as you can see there. So this one has scratches, but since it's dark, it's not as seen, and I'm actually happy about it because I still get to enjoy this bag. But I'm soon gonna probably gift it just because I think this will be used also by my grandmother because I think she's gonna enjoy it as well. But it depends actually because I'm not sure if she's gonna like it because it's such a dark bag and it's heavy. Now, there's the last one that I kind of forgot why I didn't include this, just because I was kind of focused on the flaps, and I'll get it. So, this is one of my earlier Chanel dupe purchase. This is one of the first batch of Chanel dupes that I got, which is one was the beige one or the off-white like this, but it's like a Chanel reissue look, and the red one or the burgundy to that. And I love them so much to that they were so battered afterwards. I just couldn't. I think I have a post of those two bags, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to find it. This one is a backpack. It's like the Chanel dupe, Chanel backpack. And honestly, The reason I got this is from a beautiful, amazing model, mother, influencer, slash entrepreneur. She's just amazing. She's an icon for me. She's a fashion icon to me just because I kind of figure out that's how I like styling myself. Somehow very chilled, somehow very crazy, somehow very insane, somehow very different each day. It doesn't have a singular, oh, okay, this is her style. So with this bag, I loved it. She has the same one, but of course hers is Chanel, and it's like the gray one. I think I don't know if she still has it, but I love this so much. She also has like this deep purple color, like an eggplant color to it. But I fell in love when I saw her having this one, this shade. It was such an easy bag. It still is because I could still literally put a lot of things in it. So I'm just putting like a stuffing of an old bed sheet. But yeah, this was such a nice find, and I couldn't find one like this anymore. So that one sucks so much because it's such a nice bag. I would still wear this until now. I still actually bring this, especially when my baby's like and baby and I are like going out on just the two of us. I usually fit her bottles here. I do put an organizer inside so just it stands up properly. It's easy. It packs a lot and it's so stylish. So I could just wear it like this and just have my baby with me. It was such a very comfortable bag. Not as a problematic bag to bring, and it's still stylish. I don't know if I'm going to find a leather one of this just because I battered this bag so much, but I'm still thinking about it because you can never say never. And that's about it on my Chanel dupe or Chanel inspired collection. I really love them so much. I do enjoy them as much as I wanted to share more of the other ones. I do have one before. Like I said, I have the burgundy one, the nude one. I do have so many variation colors of those, and I tried so much. And a couple of green ones that I had to give up on because the color wasn't really me. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope to share to you guys more of these ones because I really do enjoy them. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!